Okay, please, can you see my screen? Can you see my screen?
Not yet.
Please, if you are here and you can see my screen, let me know, because I've already shared my screen.
I can't see anything.
We can't see anything.
Okay. Can you see my screen now?
Not yet.
You not to know.
Please, I'm waiting. If you are here and you can see my screen, please let me know.
There's a screen here, but it's not showing anything.
It's blank. It's blank.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop sharing and I'm going to do it again.
All right.
Okay, I want to do it again now. Okay, I've restarted the sharing. Now
Yes, it's showing now.
It's showing now.
You can see my screen now, right?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, if you are new, maybe someone that joined maybe on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and you are in a group, you haven't done anything. So, your own training is going to start on Monday. This particular coaching session we're having today on Friday, is for the people who have already gone through the training and they want to learn new things. We have a form whereby people suggest what they want to learn from other online making money online system. Do you understand? Then if it's something I know, I will present it on Friday like this. So because last time we had this session, some people who are just joining, they're like, no, I want to learn e-commerce. That's what I paid for something. Yes, the training is going to start on Monday. So if you are new, maybe you haven't gone through any training, you are just joining, just stay in the group you are. The training is going to start on Monday. And you're going to, what we do have is coaching session, whereby people suggest that, okay, I want to learn this, I want to learn this. We look at their suggestions and we pick the one that is common to a lot of people. So that's what we do on Fridays like this. And on Sunday, we do question and answer. People who have questions to ask me, they will ask their question and I will respond to their questions. And on Wednesdays, we do have life support, practical life support, whereby people are going to like, okay, I'm doing this thing, I'm not getting it. You share your screen, I tell you what to do, or I help you do it, or I'm going to assign somebody to do it for you on that live call. So that's what we do have on Wednesdays. So today, from what people have suggested, I saw that a lot of people suggested that we should create ad. And I'm wondering that, okay, this ad, I've already made a comprehensive video on how to create Facebook ad. One of the calls we had in the past, this coaching call, we have already gone through that again on even how to scale ad and things like that. Please, if you are here and you are asking me to do something that I've already done before, it won't benefit the people who have gone through that training. Imagine me now going back and creating a video or try to teach you how to create ad. Everything I'm going to be saying is based on what I've already taught in a video. So because you didn't watch that and you want me to do it for you live here, it's not going to benefit others. Please, for ad, if you want to learn how to create ad, the videos are already there. If you are new, you are just joining, don't worry. Starting from Monday, your class is going to start. They're going to send the videos to you and everything you need is going to be sent to you. So that's that. On creating ad, again, I won't be doing that for now. Except if you need something specific on ad that I know maybe we didn't talk on it extensively, then I can go on to talk on it on this live session. But as for just creating ad, do you understand? So something we have done, not even once. So that's that. So the next one I have here is linking a pixel to multiple landing pages. A lot of people are asking that if I want to link a Facebook pixel to a lot of pages, how do I do that? It's very simple, the same way you do it. If you come to your Facebook account like this, and you come to this left side, you're going to see Ad Manager, then you can right click and open it in your tab. So when you open Ad Manager in your tab, it's going to take you to the Ad Manager. So if you have a number of ad accounts, you're going to see them here. You can see this one. There's a business portfolio here. There's another one here. So the one that is going to open for you normally is going to be the personal one. As I have mentioned before, when you have Facebook account, you already have another account, and it is called personal ad account. Anybody that has Facebook account know that you already have ad account, run ad on Facebook. It's already there. Only that some people don't know how to access it. And if you want to access it, it's very simple. Come to your Facebook account here. Here, on this left side, you are going to see this See More. Click on See More. You are going to see Ad Manager. Open it in your tab. Do you understand? It's going to open the ad account that is personal to your Facebook account. It's going to open it for you. So that is normal ad account that everybody has. So if you want to open additional ad account, which is going to now be business ad account, you need to open business portfolio. And the same way, if you come to this left side, you're going to see this See More. When you click on it, you're going to see Less. So when you click on See More, you're going to see pages. You can just right click and open the pages in new tab. When you open it, you're going to see this Meta Business Suite. Then you can click on it. So this is just one of the ways to get to Meta Business Suite. There are so when I'm here now, I'm inside the Meta Business Suite. You can see it here on top here. Meta Business Suite. When you are here, you can create business portfolio. If I click on this now, you can see I only have one business portfolio, which is this one. I can create another one by clicking on Create a Business Portfolio. If I click on it now, I'm going to enter the name of my business here. Maybe my business is AZ Plumbing. So if my first name is Yusuf, my surname, then my business email address can be Gmail, can be anyone. You can just enter it here. Okay, I'm just looking for one email I recently used. Okay, if this is the email I want to use, I'll just click on Create. With this now, I'm going to create a business portfolio. You can see I've created a new business portfolio called AZ Plumbing. And I can click on what? Next. I can click on Next. Then confirm. Email I used. I can come to the email here. So when you come to the primary email, you might not see it. You have to go to social. This under the social tab. If you are using Gmail, then you are going to see it. Confirm your business email, and this is it here. Just click on confirm. It will take you to that Facebook account and confirm the business portfolio you just created, and it's going to be live. You can see it now. So if you refresh later, it's going to be active. So it's going to be active later. So if you are come back here now, you can see that before I had just one business portfolio, but now I have two. Even if I go back to that place I showed you, where is it? Okay, this place. If you click on this place, you can see this one business portfolio, the one I had before, and this is a new one I just had. So under a business portfolio, you can have a new ad account there. I mentioned that if you are here on your personal Facebook account, if you go to ad account, but inside your business portfolio, you can create another ad account there. That one is not going to be personal ad account, it's going to be business ad account. And it's going to be for that particular business in which you are creating the ad account. For example, now, let me go back to the beginning because this way I like to teach. because when you are talking about so many things, some people can get confused. So I like to go back to the beginning and redo it again. So this is my normal Facebook account. I can even move it. Okay, let me just close these other ones. Let me close everything here. Okay, this is my Facebook account normally. I want to go to my personal ad account that comes with this Facebook account. I will just go to this left side. I will click on see more. Then I will see ad manager there. If I open it like this, it's going to open the personal ad account that I can use to run ad for me. There's nothing bad using the personal ad account to run ad. There's nothing bad in it. You can use it. So, but a lot of times, some people want to have multiple ad accounts. I've already mentioned in the past videos, if you are somebody who is not new, that you can use one ad account to run ad for so many products. It doesn't matter. But if you want to be organized, do you understand? So people use a particular ad account for a particular business, another ad account for another business. Some people do that. In fact, some people use one ad account for a particular product. If you are doing a business, maybe you are doing e-commerce and you are selling maybe shoes, and you are selling maybe gadgets, or you are selling some security gadgets or some other things like that. Some people will not run ad for all these products in just one ad account. You have one ad account for one product, another ad account for another product, another ad account for another product. Even when these products they are related, they want to have one ad account for one product. Some people do that. It's just because they want to do that, not because it's going to improve your results or it's going to affect your results. No. So people accounts for multiple products the way I've mentioned. So that's that. So when you open the ad manager, normally you are going to have your personal ad account here. But on top here, if you click on this, you are going to see the other business portfolios you have. You can see that for this now, I have AZ Plumbing as a business portfolio. I have this Modrosa as another business portfolio. So I have two business portfolios and I have my personal ad account too. Under each of these business portfolios, if I click on this particular one, this AZ Plumbing, if I click on it, you can see there's no ad account available. Because I just created this business portfolio, no ad account has been created in it. But if I click on this second one, Modrosa, you can see that this one is having another ad account. I call it Naira ad account. Do you understand? So this one is having ad account, but this particular one, the one I just created on this video right now, is not having any ad account. But if I should click on this, my personal one, you can see this one is having ad account. You can see one ad account. Do you understand? So Facebook account itself is Akonde Idowu. And here too, you can see Akonde Idowu. That means that personal Facebook account is having this personal ad account. My personal Facebook account is having this personal ad account. But this, my business portfolio, is having a business ad account, which is called Naira ad account. I'm the one that named it Naira ad account. So you can name the ad account anything you like. What is going to be constant with it is the ID. You can see ad account ID under the name. So for this particular one now, AZ Plumbing, the business portfolio, I don't have any ad account on it yet. I can just click on select an option. I can create a new ad account inside that particular AZ Plumbing too. Or if I have another account somewhere else, I can move it into it. So if I want to create a new one, I can just click on create a new ad account. It's asking what's the name I want to create. I can just say AZ ad account. It's very good to choose the time you are either in GMT, if you are in Africa, you are in US, you are in anywhere, just make sure you pick. Or if you are in a particular place, I want to be running ad, for example, if you are in the US now, and you want to be running ad in Nigeria, it is better to pick the time of Nigeria. If you are in Nigeria and you know that this ad account, you are going to be using it to run ad mostly for US, pick the time of US. That's the best thing to do. Because you'll be able to be resetting your spending by the time of that particular place where you are running the ad. So I'm looking for Africa, Lagos. Okay, this is it here. GMT +1, Africa, Lagos. I'm picking it. Okay. So after that, the next thing is the currency. Currency you want to be using to fund the ad. If you are in Nigeria, you can just use Naira. If you are using Naira, it's going to be what? Prepaid. As in you have to load money on Facebook, then Facebook will spend it. So you load another money, Facebook will spend it. You load another money, Facebook will spend it. That's the only way you can pay if you are using Naira. But if you are using US dollars, you just add your US card there. So Facebook will spend money for you, $7 or $10, they will deduct it from your card automatically. When they spend $20, they deduct it from your card. As they are able to deduct, they will be increasing the amount you are going to be spending before they deduct. Maybe when you just start now, you can spend maybe $5. They are going to deduct their money from their card. If they are able to deduct it, they are going to allow you to spend $10 before they try to charge your card again. If they are able to do that, after a while, they can even allow you to spend like $200, $300, or $500 before they try to charge you. But if you have got to a level whereby they are allowing you to spend like $100 or $200 before they charge you, and they try to charge you and they are unable to charge you, maybe there's no money on your card, they're going to reverse it back to $5. Now it seems this guy doesn't have money. We don't want to allow him to spend a lot of money before we're able to get our money, because they're going to lose a lot of money like that, although they're not actually losing any money, because everything, is based on the system. It's not that they are buying something to sell to you. They are just selling a space, visibility to us. If you want to be spending your other account, you want to be using dollar for your other accounts, you have to add a card, and the card must be the one in US dollars. This is what we used before, maybe 3 years, 4 years, 5 years back. When Nigerian card, our Naira card, can still spend dollar. Our Naira card, maybe GT card or Access Bank or all those ATM card. If you want to buy anything online, even if that is sold in dollar, if you enter your card there, you'll be able to pay. They will just convert it automatically to Naira, and they will deduct it from your card. It happens like that before, until Emefiele stopped that, whereby he first reduced it to $100, whereby the amount you are able to spend from our Naira card is equivalent of $100. So if dollar is 1,000 Naira, you can only spend 100,000 Naira in a month from your card. You reduce it to $100. So we have been back to spend like $500 or even $1,000. If you want to spend $1,000 now, you have to get 10 cards, 10 ATM cards. We used to do that, and the guy just reduced it to $10 again. So that's when everybody $10. You won't be able to use our Naira card again. And later they even reduce it to $0. So you can't use your Naira card to pay in dollars again. But from maybe last week or last 2 weeks, we heard that some banks are now allowing us to use our Naira card to pay in dollar. So I've not verified that. I've asked some of my employees here to try it with GT card, Access Bank, Kuda, and some other ones like that. And they should give me the feedback if it is working. So if it is working, then we can continue to use our Naira card to pay in dollars. But right now, what I do, if I want to pay in dollars, is that I use all those gray card or cheaper card, all those ones. Those are the ones I use to pay. So if I choose this one now, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to add my cheaper card, for example, to this particular account. So as I spend $5 on Facebook, they're going to charge the card and remove the $5. If I spend $10 on Facebook, they charge the card. If I spend $20, they charge it. So they will remove their money automatically like that without me going there to fund Facebook. I will just make sure that I have enough dollars on that particular card. So, but the easiest one for anybody in Nigeria is to use Nigerian Naira. So when you click on this now, you just find Naira here. So this one is going to be prepaid. And you are going to be funding Facebook before it can work. So it's not that you're going to add your card there. No, you're going to fund it maybe with transfer or by using your Naira card. You put money there, Facebook will spend it. You put another money there, Facebook will spend it. So it's going to be prepaid. So that's what most people use now. Most advertisers in Nigeria, this is what they use. So I hope you understand. You put the name of your other account here, you choose your time zone, and you choose your currency. Then you click on next. So this one, just click on I agree, click on create other accounts. So now it has been created. It's going to bring this. Does your business AZ Plumbing focus on politics? Something? Just say no. Okay. So now if you click on this thing again, now see under AZ Plumbing business portfolio. Now we now have another account inside it. You can see AZ that account, and you can see the other account ID. So if you go to this one, Modrosa, this another business portfolio. This one too has another account. And if you go to this my personal Facebook account, it also has what? Another account. Basically, is that when you have Facebook account, another account comes with it. You know, business portfolio. So you can create business portfolio and have another account there. So the reason why we do this is because if Facebook bans this ad account, you can switch to the other ad account and still use it to run ad. If they ban this one too, you can still go to another ad account and use it to run ad. It happens like that. In fact, before, like maybe 3, 4, 5 years ago, we can even have unlimited number of ad accounts. If you are banning one ad account, we are creating another one and we are using it to run ad. But now they have limited us. If you want to create business portfolio now, sometimes they allow you to create maximum of 2. Like, you know, I have 2 business portfolios now. If I want to create the third one, they might not allow me to create the third one. Let me try it. Create a business portfolio. Let me call this one QWS or something. So let me enter my name, my surname, the email address. Let me see. Okay, great. In fact, it depends on how old that Facebook account is. There's one, my normal Facebook account that I've opened several years ago, like since Facebook started. That one, they allow me to open like up to like 10 business portfolios. But the Facebook account you just create now, they're going to allow you to open maybe 2 or 3. You can see that this one, they allow me to create it. Because this account too is somehow old. This Facebook account is somehow old. So when it is old, they can allow you to create 3, 4, even 5, or more than that. But when the account is new, maybe you are only allowed to create 2 maximum or 3 maximum. So that's that. So this now, if I go back to this place, okay, let me refresh. You are going to see that another business portfolio has been added. And inside that business portfolio too, I can also create another account. You can see it now. Business portfolios, you can see QZ, and there is no any other account inside it. I can click on this and create what? Another account there. The other account, I can choose the currency of the other account and I can just, so you already know that. So now, let me go back to this place and click on this ad manager and open it as if I want to open my normal personal ad account. Remember that when you try to do that, it's going to open the partner. You are going to come to this place, event manager. You can see event manager. You can open it in new tab. So I do like to open things in new tab so that, you know, it depends on you anyway. So when you are here now, you can click on data sources. If you click on data sources, if you already have a pixel, you are going to see the pixel here. If you don't have any pixel, you won't see anything. Pixel is something that's going to allow us to track Pixel is the thing that's going to allow us to track events from our website. If somebody goes to our website and the person clicks a button, Facebook will not know. If somebody goes to our website and the person orders for our product, Facebook will not know. If somebody goes to our website and he fills a form, Facebook will not know. The only thing that's going to allow Facebook to know is that we're going to install a pixel, a code on our website. So that code is from Facebook. Facebook gives us the code. So with the code, Facebook will be able to monitor everything that is happening on our website. With the code, Facebook will be able to monitor everything that is happening on our website. So that code is called Pixel. So if you want to open it, just go to Event Manager, and when you are there, it's going to be on this overview. So you can see connect data as in data source. But this one, it's not allowing me to create web. It's because of this particular, when you have personal accounts, the same way I mentioned that, okay, when you have your normal Facebook account, you are going to have personal account. The same thing, you are going to have personal Pixel. Do you understand? That when you create, it's going to be for that particular account. So one thing I did was that before this video, I was just doing some things and I moved that particular personal pixel. I moved it. Here now, you can see that these are the business portfolios I have. This one, Modrosa, this one, AZ Plumbing that I created first, and then this QW that I just created now. So if I should click on this button, these settings for this Modrosa, if I click on this gear icon for settings, it's going to load that particular business portfolio. Now I've switched to that. You can see Modrosa business portfolio. So under this business portfolio, now I'm going to see the person that is controlling it. Under users, you can see under users, people. This is the person that owns everything. You can see I have full control. That is that. If I come back to this add account, if I click on this add account, I'm going to see the add account of this business portfolio too. You can see Naira add account. So if I come down under these data sources, if I click on this data set and pixel, do you understand? I'm going to see the pixel of this. So if it doesn't have any pixel, then I can click on add here to create. I can create pixel. It's not hard to create here. So I will just put, maybe, let me call it, what do I even call it? Okay, let me just say Modrosa pixel. Okay, a pixel has been created for this particular business portfolio. So before, let me see. Before, it allows us to create even multiple pixels. You can create another one. You can say create new data set. Let me just say Modrosa 2. Maybe it's going to allow me. These are the things we used to do before until Facebook changed everything. So this one too. Okay, just created that one as a data set under the pixel. Okay, it's there too. So now you can see I have 2 pixels here under the same business portfolio. So the same thing, I can go to another business portfolio, maybe this AZ Plumbing now, I can go inside it. Inside this AZ business portfolio, you know, this is the person, this is the owner. I can add other people to it. Maybe you have a business portfolio and you want somebody to run ads for you or to control it for you. You can just add the person. You can invite the person. You can put the email of the person or something. You can do that. So let me go to the ad account. You know, we have already created AZ ad account inside that AZ Plumbing business portfolio. So I can also go to the data sources now. I will go to that data set and pixel. Then I'm going to click on add. Here too, I can say AZ pixel. I can create a pixel inside that business portfolio. So it has been created. So I can create additional one just the way we did. The same way, if I switch to this new one I just created, I can create this the owner. This one doesn't have ad account yet. I can create that account. And also, if I go to data sources, I can create pixel. I can come to this and create pixel and so many other things like that. So if I come to this particular place, which is the ad manager, that normally if I want to go into it from my normal Facebook account, I will click on ad manager and open a new tab. It's going to take me to personal ad account, as you already know. And I can switch to another ad account from this place. So I can switch to the other account inside that AZ Plumbing. I can switch to it. I can switch to the other account inside that Modrosa. I can switch to it. And this QW too. If I create that account there, I can switch to it. So let's assume I want to switch to that particular one off. I'll just click on it. And it's going to load like this. Okay. So when I'm here like this, I can come to this event this event manager and open it in new tab. It's going to open the event manager that has to do with this particular business portfolio. And how do you confirm that? Up here, you are going to see it. You can see this AZ Plumbing and this is the other account. So now, for the data sources, it doesn't have any. If I go to data sources now, if it has a pixel already, it's going to show it. But this one has a pixel. Since we have created pixel inside this, let me check again. Because under the data sources now, we can't find any pixel there. Under this overview twist, asking us to connect data source. Let me check. The pixel should be here. It seems we created it just now. Okay, data sources. Okay, it's there now. It's there. We have created the pixel. Maybe I need to assign myself to it. That's why I can't see it there. You can see what I'm doing now. Because when I saw it there, you can see full control, nobody. The pixel is already under this business, but nobody is having access to the pixel yet. That's why when I click on it like this, under people, and then I can click on assign, and I can click on myself, that I want to give myself full control, and assign myself to this particular pixel. So then, if I go to this place, I should be able to see it. Let me see. Facebook interface is very complex. So so you can see something today and tomorrow is going to be giving issues. Are you with me? Are you with me?
Yes.
Okay. So Facebook, okay. Okay. Under this AZ Plumbing, let me click on this. Check. So the interface is very robust and they change things anyhow. So, but if you are somebody who has been doing it, you are going to find your way to change some things. If some things have changed, by the time you go from one place to the other, you'll be able to fix yourself. So that's why this thing is ready to go fully into this thing now. Do you understand? You can there's nothing you are doing that you don't need advertisement, or you can be helping somebody to do it. You can just be advertising maybe with just 2,000 per day or 3,000 per day. Do you understand? And be promoting business for some people. You can help anybody. Maybe the person is doing local business or restaurant or anything. You can run ad for all of these things. I'm going to show you how to even do that. How to run ad for restaurants, or for if you have a shop, maybe a barber shop, all those local businesses, you can run ad. And the ad is going to be showing to people in that locality alone. And you can just spend 3,000 naira. Maybe imagine somebody who is doing maybe restaurant, and you can use 3,000 naira to get maybe like 10 or 20 people to come to your restaurant and eat. Maybe each person is going to eat like maybe 3,000, 5,000 naira. Do you understand? So make sure that after learning this thing, you don't abandon it. I'm coming back to it later. You are going to forget all of these things. And by the time you come back, the interface might have changed. That's why I do blame the gurus who are selling courses they have created like maybe 5 years ago. I know people who have created courses like 5 years ago, or even more than that. They are still selling the course till today, no update. They are doing new videos, so new images to sell the course. But the actual content, when you buy the course now, they give you videos of 5 years ago. It's unfair. But because you yourself know that the information contained there in the interface, everything has changed. So that's why when you come back, when you come to this interface, because it's very robust and complex, anything can change. But if you're somebody who have been doing it and you have been using it, you'll be able to navigate and fix yourself. So basically now, we now have this pixel here. You can see AZ pixel, and you can see the pixel ID. This is the ID here. So if you want to set up this pixel and connect it to your website, that's what people are asking, linking pixel to landing pages. So if you want to do that, click on set up MetaPixel, and you're going to click on install code manually. So here you're going to copy the code. So when you copy the code now, you just go to your GUI level. There are a lot of advanced ways to do things, but I don't like to teach those things to beginners. And most importantly, those things are things that they are not really important. But when you want to do advanced stuff, there are some advanced ways to do things. But it's not meant for beginners. So when you are here on your GUI level, you go to sites. Then you can click on this recent to see the recent funnels you have worked on. Then if you click on these business settings now, services, it's going to open this particular funnel for me. Then I can go to settings, and under this ad tracking code, I will drop that code I copied on Facebook. You can see the code here. Note that when you place a code here, this code is installed on all the pages you have on the pixel. Let me save it. For this particular funnel now, I have two pages, this home and thank you. These are the two steps. These are the two steps I have for this particular funnel. So since I installed the code on this ad tracking code here, this code is installed on all the pages, on the two pages. Even if there are 100 pages, 100 steps there, the code is installed on all of them. And one thing you are going to note, let me try to zoom, is that look at this code. It is tracking page view. That means if you go to that page 1, you are going to track page view there. If you go to page 2, you are going to track page view there. So installing this code here, now if you go to this place and maybe click on this page view to view that particular page. Where's my pixel? Pixel helper. You have pixel helper here. Okay, this is it. Look at the pixel helper. If I click on it now, you can see page view is tracked. And you can see the pixel ID. It is ending with 423. 423. I want to show you that it's the same pixel. Some people might not see this continue button on your Facebook. If you don't see it, just press Ctrl-. You'll be able to see it. Ctrl-, you'll be able to see it. It depends. The reason why you can't see it, if you can't see it, is because of this size of your screen. So when you press Ctrl-, you'll be able to see it. So when you are here, and I can just say turn on automatic advanced matching. Then you click on continue. You can see this go to. It's not showing very well for me. It's because of the screen of my laptop. So if I press Ctrl down with minus, I'll be able to see everything. Go to pixel overview. Okay, you can see that the pixel ID is ending with 423. And also here, when I click on this pixel helper, you can see that the pixel ID is also 423. And it is tracking page view. If I go to the second page, this thank you page 2. Do you understand? And I try to preview view page. It's also going to be tracking page view. You can see page view. And it's the same pixel. Because I installed the code here. And in the code I installed here, there is page view there. It's tracking page view. So let me do something. Let me delete the page view here. If I delete this thing, I will just delete FB. Let me zoom so that you can see it. I will just delete this FBQ, open bracket, track this page view. I will just delete it. If I delete that one and I save, that means I've just installed Clickzel on these 2 pages, but I'm not tracking anything yet. Do you understand? If I go to this Pixel Helper now, if I click on it, you can see.
I can't see the screen though.
You can't see the screen? Is there anyone who can see my screen?
We can see the screen, sir. He's supposed to log out, then come back. You will see it.
If you can't see the screen, log out and come back. You are going to see the screen. So now, for this, if you click on this Pixel Helper, you can see that the pixel is still there, but it's not tracking anything. The pixel is still there, but it's not tracking anything. If I open the second page too, now, like this, you can see the pixel is also there, but it's not tracking anything. So it depends on how you want to organize your things. Let me do something for you and show you. If you type in Google, standard Facebook event, standard Facebook standard event parameters. If you click on this one, it's going to take you to where Facebook listed all the events. You can see. If you want to track add payment info, as in somebody that added payment info, on your, you want to track add to cart, this is the code. You want to track add to wish list, this is the code. You want to track complete registration, this is the, you can see Facebook, they have code to track anything you want to track. If you want to track lead, this is the code. If you want to track purchase, this is the code. If you want to track schedule, the person that schedule meeting with you, this is the code. Somebody has searched something on your website, this is the code. So Facebook, they have code for everything you want to track. For me now, if the way I want to organize my website is that I only want to track page view. Do you understand? When somebody visits only the home page, but when they go from home page to thank you page, I want to track lead or I want to track purchase. What I'm going to do in this case is that if you want to track page view for everything, you are going to do it the way we have done it in the first instance, whereby the code we put here is having page view. I hope you remember. That's when you want to track page view for any place the person goes to on your website. But if you don't do that, after placing the code here, you delete that aspect of page view, then you now come to this your first page here. Then you can click on this little icon beside edit and click on edit in new tab. So this one now, I will now go into this particular page and track whatever I want to track based on my requirements. I hope you understand. So now, for this particular page now, where's the standard event again? Maybe I want to just call anybody that gets to this particular page view content. I want to track it as view content. I will just come here. Please, oh, if noise is coming from your place, mute your mic. If you are not talking, mute your mic, please. So when I come here now, I will click on this icon here. If you are not talking, please mute your mic. So I click on this little icon, which is called tracking code. I will click on it and I will drop this code here. So this code is not going to work yet until up here, I will open this kind of thing. I will write script there. I will close it. I will copy that particular thing I wrote. I will put it under this. I will paste it, but I will put / before the script. Now, with this now, anybody that comes to this particular page, Facebook is going to be tracking the person as what? View content. So if I want to track or retarget or anything for the people who are just on this page, I'm going to be looking for what? View content, people that are triggered for view content. So now let me preview this, and you're going to see what I'm saying. So if I go to this Pixel helper now, you can see view content. So anybody that comes to this particular page now, Facebook is tracking them for what? View content. So I can go back to this place and click on this and switch to the thank you page. That if anybody now comes to this particular page, what do I want to call the person? Maybe let me go to the standard event. You can just, the one that applies to you. Maybe I want to call the person lead. I will just copy this. I will put that script something before it and after it. So I'll put this here. I'll copy it. I'll put it after this. And I'll put this / after it. Then I'm going to save. So I will save it here. Then if I click on this eye icon, so if I click on this Pixel helper, you can see it's tracking this person, this page as lead. Do you understand? So that's how to do the tracking. You can do anything you like. You can call it whatever you like, depending on what you like to call it. Do you understand? And it's going to be like that. If I should come back to this place now, instead of this lead, I can just delete it and put purchase there. Purchase. If I want to be tracking anybody that gets to this page as purchase, I will save it. I will save it. Then I will preview. So if I go to this Pixel helper now, you can see it's now purchased. But the one we opened before, do you understand? You can see this one is lead. But if I should refresh it now, it's going to change to purchase. Because that code has changed. You can see it's now purchased. So this is how to install Pixel on your funnel. Now, if I want to install that same Pixel on another funnel, it's simple now. The code you put here, you can go and copy it again from Facebook, and you can also copy it from this place. Just Control A to highlight everything and Control C to copy. So after copying that, just go back. Click on this recent to see the recent funnels. Just pick the next funnel that you want to install the Pixel. Go to the settings. Then paste it here and save. You have already installed the Pixel there. Do you understand? It's saving, okay? And it now depends, what do you want to call the person that comes to this first page? What do you want to call how do you want to track the person that comes to this second page? How do you want to track the person that comes to the last page? Then you now go into those pages, those steps individually. Do you understand? And be tracking them that, okay, anybody that just gets to the first page of my website, I want to call the person, I want to track it as view content. If the person fill the form and go to the next page, I want to call the person lead. If the person now pay and go to the last page, I want to call that person purchase. So you can do everything you like based on what you like. So now this is the first page of my funnel. Maybe any person that gets to this place, I just want to call the person maybe view content. That this person just view my content. He has not taken any action yet. So I'll just come to this place. I will say this content. So remember, we do put this script on top and after it. And we are going to add this / before it, then now save. So then you now save it. So now if you click on this Pixel helper, you can see it's now what? View content. You can see the Pixel is still the same. So it is now view content. Now let me go back. Let me go to the next page. The next page is this page here. So maybe there's a form on that first page. So if somebody fills the form and gets to this place, maybe I want to call anybody that gets to this place, I want to track them as lead. Do you understand? So now let me show you something. Let me just preview first, because there's no code here yet. So if you click on this Pixel helper, it sees the pixel, but it's not tracking anything. So just to let you know. So now we now click on this, we now post that one of lead.
I wish this session can be recorded.
So now we now save it. Then we save it here too. You have to save it there and save it here too. Very important. So then you now preview. When you preview now, and we go to the Pixel helper, you can see it's tracking this one now as lead. The one we opened before, you can see this one is not tracking anything. Now it's even saying that there's no Pixel, but it's a lie. Let's just refresh. It's not going to be tracking lead. So if you click on it, you can see this one is tracking lead. So that's that. So now the last page there, maybe there's another form here or there's a payment something here that people are going to pay, and when they pay, it's going to take them to the last page. Then I'm going to call this last one purchase. Anybody that gets to this last page, I'm going to call them purchase. Now let me preview to let you see that there's no pixel here yet. You can see there's pixel there, but it's not tracking anything. So now I will click on this. I will paste that one of, I can paste this one of view content. I'm going to change it to purchase. Purchase. And then I'm going to put that code there, that script, then copy it, after it, then I'll put this // then I'm going to save. So anybody that gets to this particular page is going to be tracked as what? Purchase. Then I can preview. If I go to this Pixel helper now, you can see it's tracking purchase. So this is how to do it. So you can install the Pixel on multiple funnels and you can track different things. Do you understand? Just go to this Facebook standard event. Look at so many things you can track. You can also create custom event too, but I don't usually like it. Even Facebook, they are telling us that they are going to script that one, that it's not going to be possible to create custom event later. So it's very good to get used to this standard event. A lot of people are running away from this standard event too because of this code. And this code, is it hard? It's not hard now. Even I'm not a programmer, I'm not a developer, but yet I can use this code. I can just manual edit, do you understand? I'll be able to do it. If you do it one day, second day, third day, you get used to it and it's not hard at all. But a lot of people, because of this just little coding, they are running away. They want to use a custom event. But this standard event is the best, I'm telling you. So that's it. So that's how to install one pixel on so many landing pages, or so many funnel, or so many websites, depending on what you want. So I hope we're able to cover that. So next time, we're going to be taking the next one here, using a domain for multiple funnels. Or I should just even mention it now. Can we just mention it now? Because that one too is not hard. If you have, I've already taught you how to link your domain to GoiLevel. After linking your domain to GoiLevel, you want to link the domain to this particular funnel now. Open the funnel, go to settings. Do you understand? Click on this page. You're going to see all the domains you have linked. You can see me now. I've linked a lot of domains. Let me just pick this primescene.store. This is one of the domains I've already linked to this particular GoiLevel account. I will just click on save. Simple. Do you understand? And it's going to be there. You can see. The domain is already there. If I click on this one now, it's taking me to the page. If I go to the next page too, this one already has it. So it's very simple to link your domain. So the same domain I link here now, let me go back and show you something. If I go back to the first one we did, this consulting, is it the first one? Okay, this one. The first one we did. You know, this one is not having any domain. You can see what it said. Please add a domain in the settings to see your funnel live. Just go to settings. You know, it's not having any domain now. You can see. Go to settings. Click on this place. Pick that same domain. If it is that same domain you have, just pick it and save it. Do you understand? There some parts are please. So that same domain, has been linked. If I click on this place now, the same domain, the thing that's going to be different is this / something something. You can see / something something. It's going to be different, but the domain is working for all of them. You can use one domain for 1 million funnels, one domain for 1 million websites. It doesn't matter. If you like to have different domains because of your business, maybe you have a business that is bearing a particular name, and you have another business bearing another particular name, you want to have separate domain for them, no problem, depending on what you want to do. But if you are somebody who doesn't care, you just want to use the same domain that is general for all the funnels, for all the websites, you can use it for 1 million. There's no limit to it. And if you don't want to use domain, you just want to be using that preview link that we have been using, there's no problem. This app.gohighlevel.com something, you want to be using that one, you can use it to run ad. There's no problem with that. It works. We have used that for more than 1 year in our company. I intentionally asked them to be using it. It doesn't have any bad implication. So that is that. So now you have seen how to connect Pixel to multiple landing pages, multiple funnels or multiple websites, and also how to connect a domain to multiple funnels or multiple websites. Just go to that settings and be linking the domain. Even if it is the same domain, the system will be adding some things here after the / to let you differentiate between the domains. And even you can edit this / something. If you are here now, you can click on publishing. It's going to show that you can see that when you are here, this / home - 1741. When you click on this publishing, this is it here.
Sir,
you can change it to any name you like. If you like, maybe a fine name. You want to put starting, and you can update it.
Hello,
If
sir.
it's not available, please
The cloud is covering your screen.
mute yourself, please. Mute yourself. So you can put starting here. If
There
that
is a cloud covering your screen, sir.
nothing's covering my screen, go out of
You know,
the call and join back. Go out
Okay.
of the call and join again. You'll be able to see it. So you can see that when I put starting there, the starting is there now. Now let me show you something. It's because this starting has not been used before. That's why you can use this starting. If I should go to this place now, this thank you page, and I click on this publishing, I want to put starting here also. Starting. And I click on update. It's going to add something to starting, some numbers, because the system is going to dictate that that starting is not available. It has been used somewhere else. You can see now. It's now saying starting -7948. Do you understand? Because that starting has been used somewhere else. So that's how you are going to differentiate between them. And even if you are somebody who like, okay, starting is not available, let me find another name. Let me say starting now. Starting now. You can put now there and update. If that starting now is not available anywhere else, it's going to give you. You can see. So now if you click on this place now, primesync.store/starting now is going to take you to the page. So this system is very robust. Do you understand? Very robust. You can do a lot of things with it. So we are able to cover two things. Basically, how to link to multiple funnels and how to link domain to multiple funnels. So we are going to stop here. On Sunday, we are going to meet for a live question and answer. So till that time, thank you.
Thank you all. See you on Sunday.
hello.
Hello. See you on Sunday, brothers.
Please, I pay for Go High Level, so how am I going to
The group moderator will assist you.
Message
And how to
me.
get
Message me on WhatsApp.
Okay, all right, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye, everyone.